reminds me of is when Will Smith is just ripping through New York in that GT 500. That's what it sounds like. Chris.
Where are we going?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to pick up some Roush axle backs.
Alright. Cool. So, hopefully you heard my car going by. Hopefully we're curious about the video. I think it's going to sound pretty awesome. So, it was pretty fun. So, I'm pretty curious to see what this thing sounds like. Because right now, it's just... It sounds fantastic. Like, this is like one of the best sounding Mustangs I've ever heard. It's just super, super loud.
It's a little obnoxious.
It's crazy obnoxious now. But only thing we need to do now to make it more obnoxious is run through a crowd of people.
That's why we got the Nittos, to keep us out of the crowd.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, man.
You there?
Yeah, I was going to tell you, I'm like 4 miles out, but all the traffic had stopped, and there's people pulling U-turns and all that, but it looks like it started moving again, so never mind. I'm like little 4 miles out.
Oh, okay.
There for a second, I thought I was going to pull a U and go back to 575.
Oh, okay. All right, well, I'm about to be there in a minute.
All right, man.
I'll be in.
Jack's over there.
Jack.
Oh.
Be nimble. Jack, be quick.
You can make it. I believe in you.
It already started out all out of whack.
Wow. Perfect. Low car problems.
Holy cow. Alright, so we're going to do a sound test of what the system I have right now. Right now I've got the muffler delete with resonated tips that we had welded in and all that. Got an X pipe and a cat delete. Stock headers. So we're going to do a sound clip. Car has been running, so it's already warmed up. You're not going to have the loud starting up noise. So we're going to do that real quick. Decimals and everything.
Oh, 128.1 decibels, and my ears are telling you that that's true.
Alright, so now we've got the Roush axle backs that we're going to stick on here and see if it changes it better, quieter, because right now it's super loud.
So I'm going to save this one then, and then we'll get another one. So there's record 1, and then we'll check the next one and see what it says. Cool.
There's my, not factory anymore, but it was. I took the factory mufflers off and done these resonated tips and everything, got rid of the muffler stuff. This is what we're removing. If you're wondering, resonated tips.
Have mercy on my ears. Oh, that sounds better already. okay.
Did not help.
So this was a 126. So I'm going to save this file.
There's no way.
Record number 2.
That
Let's
is
go to
some-
our record list. Record number 1, we were at 129 at our peak. This one we're at 127 at our peak. Our max was 128. Our max here was 126. So it actually did get quieter. Our average dropped 1 decibel.
I don't believe it. Do you believe that? Dude, that sounded so much louder.
It sounded better though.
Did it sound better?
I thought it sounded-
not just that nasty kind of. Okay.
I actually thought it sounded really, and actually at idle, it sounded
I wonder if I need to go
more
some
rumbly.
more, like put some more resonators in it, like up through the exhaust.
old school glass pack.
No. Still loud.
Oh, it's still loud.
What you doing, Jordan?
Put the screw in.